Welcome back to another YouTube video from Best RV in Trolla, California. Now I'm Mario from Best RV in Trolla, California, presenting one of the high-end fifth wheel from Keystone RV. This is a 2026 Keystone Alpine 3712 KB. Now, why people they like the 3712 KB? For two reasons. First, it's divided to four sections or four rooms. You have a nice living room, which is, as you see here, seating facing 50-inch smart TV with a fireplace, and two nice hide-a-bed sofa crossing each other. Room number two is the kitchen with the island and the dining. Room number three is the master king-size bed facing the TV. And room number four, which is the master bathroom with a huge bathroom. Now, why you pick Alpine? Now, Alpine, as everybody knows, is one of the high-end fifth wheel from Keystone RV. It provides you with extra additional features such as solid wood valances on the window from inside. So right now I cannot see any screws of that window. Before, they never come like that. Nice hide-a-bed sofa with cushions, so it's easier and you feel it's, hold you more when you're sitting on them. And by the way, these are hide-a-bed, so sleep two here, sleep two there. Another theater seating with the light and USB. So USB, and then their heat and their massagers. I feel the massage. And then the nice recline, you push yourself to the back, and voila, you enjoy a beautiful TV in front of you with a fireplace. Oh, I love this massage. 3 AC unit, that's very important. So you have one AC in this living room, one AC in the kitchen, and one AC in the bedroom in the back. Now, facing that, let me turn this off. And facing that, you have a nice telescope TV. So this TV actually go down. So if I open that compartment and I push the switch in, and now you're gonna see TV is coming down. And why are you doing the TV coming down? To give you a nice bright view in the living room. So voila, I have a beautiful window. Now if this window bother you, no problem. We have a nice shade in the front. And then there's latching here, I believe. Yes, yes. So it gives you a fully privacy at night, and also it gives you shade. Some people, they like when they wake up in the morning seeing what's going on and make it so bright, because they like to have bright fifth wheel, and you could do that. Now, to raise the TV, very simple and easy. You just put the switch and go up, and the TV come from underneath with push a switch, nothing else to do. And again, this run of the 12 volt, the mechanism, so need to be in 110. Voila. Now, beautiful Envion LED light in the front with the switch on and off, two LED lights, a nice closets or cabinet on both sides, a beautiful fireplace, and again, this produce heat. I mean, really physically will heat this unit, no question asked. The people sitting here, they're gonna feel the heat. And then you have a nice GPL stereo system with the speakers inside, the speakers outside, and voila, you could listen inside speakers. There's one here and one right there, okay? And then two speakers outside, so that's a nice thing. So that's on the living area. Now we're gonna step on to the kitchen area. We're going down over here. While you're here, everybody asks me, what's this? Well, Alpine, they give you a step ladder. In case, like me, I'm 5.6, and I cannot reach these cabinets, I could use this one. And they give you that, they provide you that. That's another thing, the beauty about Keystone. Then they're gonna ask me, okay, I see that, what's this? This unit comes with a central vacuum. So, and by the way, it comes with all hoses. Let's go to the kitchen. The kitchen, I don't know what this, you remember guys when every time I told you this counter space is good for appliances? Well, finally they did exactly what I'm asking. So you have appliances cabinet. What is mean Nile appliance cabinet? You have a solid service here. See, look, solid service, a plug. I could put my espresso machine. The people who love coffee, that's perfect for espresso machine. People who like to make a nice cocktail drink, you put your mixers, some, this one, this here, put bottles, glasses, mix a drink, and serve your family. So that's another thing. I call it appliances cabinet, where you put your coffee maker, toasters. Some people, they put it. Then here's, you have a nice pantry. I mean, again, all this is a pantry. So don't tell me, Niall, I don't have enough storage. Where am I gonna put my cooking pan and where I'm gonna put my cereals, canned foods? Well, you have all this. And this one, why they make it so long? You could put your brooms and moppers. Long one, right there. So this section, actually, it take a lot of space from your fifth wheel. And that's what most people, they like when they buy this unit and use it as a full-timers. They place for their stuff like mops, vacuum machine, not a vacuum machine. You already have vacuum machine, like small Dysons, coffee maker, toasters, counter space, mixers, drinks, you name it. And they give you a really nice molding around it with LED light. From the appliances point in the kitchen, it's residential 4-burner range, 37 cubic foot oven, and again, will fit turkey, no question asked. And then you have oven light, as you see, and lit up here and lit up there. This here, it is a microwave, and you can see it has light. So it has a light, 30-inch microwave Furrion, stainless steel. As well, they provide you with a Samsung. Oh my God, I feel the cold. Twin cooling plus, 2-door for fridge, and you have a safety door here for the freezer. And then you just take it. I'm honored to remove the brand new plastic from this brand new refrigerator. It's just to show you, and just fresh from the oven. And then you have a nice maker. Let me just take the plastic. It's a brand new. Oh, I already made it some ice. Beautiful. So this is ice maker, as well fridge, and you can see some ice. Voila. And then a freezer. Again, when you go to the Alpine, everything is top notch. So you're using Samsung brands. That's another plus. Now, on the kitchen counter space, they give you the biggest kitchen sink you ever find in Home Depot, Lowe's. There's nothing bigger. This is a residential sink. Look how deep it is with a high-rise faucet. And again, it's ready to go. Everything here at Best RV ready to go. So if you show up, you could go home with it within 2 hours. We make things ready up front, so no excuse for you not to buy. Just you have to give yourself permission to get it. That's it. It's like a puzzle. Voila. Now, you have 2 trash cans, one for recycling, one for disposable. A lot of tinsel doors. Oh, by the way, this is the filter because the unit comes with a water filtration system outside. You put the container, you pull it, take it and put it inside and put it back. Come with it. More doors, and then another doors for cooking, and doors, and then there's a huge doors around the microwave with LED light. Another pantry. So, I mean, and by the way, these are the hoses for your central vac. Come with it. More doors, you name it. Now, this is the control panels. So everything you could see is lit up. This is a heated holding tank, all the switches, light outs, awning. By the way, 2 awning. This unit comes with 2 awning, 3 AC, 6-point auto leveling. This is the inverter for the fridge, and this is the controller for the 3 ACs, as will the furnace. In the dinette, beautiful balances and table on a 4 chair. They give you 110 plug here in case if you have something to plug it in. Nice extension, and voila, will hold easy for people, no question asked. And you could put your fancy silverware. Also the chairs, they come with the storage underneath the seat. Beautiful chandelier in the kitchen. Fantastic fan, run off with the remote control, so you could take all the heat off when you're cooking certain spices. As you see, all LED in the ceiling with a crown molding, baseboard, you name it. Let's go to another pantry here. Actually, we call it the coat, not a pantry, coat hanger. So that's a plus. They give you a place to put your winter coats. So in case if you go to extreme cold, you hang them right there. Walking to the bedroom. Now all these units, as you notice, it come with a solid pocket door, and they are barn door. So if you come, the cameraman from inside, he will show you the mechanism of these pocket door. They are barn door right here, and they're solid. Then we have a cabinet or closets for his and her. As you see, nice 32-inch smart TV facing the king size bed. And you could see
54, 53.
Lowering the volume. Door for tinsel, not tinsel, door for socks, underwears. And then there's a big huge storage underneath this king size bed. This is king size bed where you could put your pillow and sheets, and nice reading lights with a nice headboard. As you see, solid wood headboard in the back with 2 window crossings. So this open those 2 windows with this, so you have fresh air. Also, if you don't want to open the window, you have the third AC. Now coming to this one here, and that's why people purchase 3712. As you know, there's a lot of let me just lower the volume so you could hear me. There's a lot a front living room fifth wheel, but why they buying the 3712 and separate itself from the other front living room unit is because this is the largest top. Again, I could walk and walk and walk to it. If the cameraman come close, look, I could sit 2 people. This is residential. This is beyond residential. Look how wide it is. Look, from my feet, from my shoes, all the way to this seat. So it's a wide. You go splash water the way you want it, and very roomy, and the solid. See, one piece fiberglass cap. When they build this unit, they put this first, and they built around it. A nice shower head. Here, just to prove for you, very nice shower head, and a huge glass door. People, again, when they say 3712, they buy for 2 reasons: the big showers in the back and the big pantry with appliances cabinet. Again, I'm sitting and I could do my elbow and take shower, wash my legs, wash my body, and I'm not hitting against with a big skylight and a big room. So this is what separates 3712 KB front living room from the others. Porcelain toilet, place to hang your towels when you go to a shower, and that's the key for the endless hot water heater. Big window so you get the smoke out. His and her vanity, so this is for his, that's for her. Medicine cabinets, you could fill it. All of it is gonna be for her, and you, sir, you're gonna get only this one. Plenty counter space here. Makeup, I know my wife, if you go in my master bathroom, there's bottles of bottles, I don't know what it is, so all for ladies, and there's a room for that. Place for towels if you want. And then here's, you have a huge closet, again, storage as you see all the way. This one, this you could do multifunction. First, I could stand in it just to prove for you how big it is. I could use it for just hanging clothes. Or if a customer decide, you know what, Niall, I want stackable washer dryer installed on my 3712 KB. Yes, we do that. We're one-stop shop, and we could do that for you. And it's hold the stackable washer and dryers from here all the way down. No question asked. So that's what's the 3712 KB. It's a nice high-end front living room. with a big showers, big toilet, a huge shower. I mean, this is the biggest shower you're gonna find in the RV industry. No matter what, I've seen too many. Front living room, this is the biggest one, and that's what people they buy in it. And then you have a beautiful living area. You could sit and enjoy and having good time with your friends, buddies, and enjoy everything. So come to Best RV because we have this unit 3712 KB at a price no one could match. Come in.